If you're looking for a seamless way to tackle last-minute travel planning, you're in the right place. Navan can be a game changer when you're in a crunch, offering a quick and efficient solution to get your trips organized without the usual stress. Whether it's flights, accommodations, or transportation, Navan helps you handle it all swiftly and intuitively. Here's the deal. You don't have to be an expert to use Navan. The platform is designed to simplify travel planning for everyone, especially when you're on a tight timeline. The app is user-friendly and supports everything you need to make decisions on the fly. From booking flights to sorting out hotels, Navan pulls it all together in one place, and you can access it all with just a few clicks. To get started, you'll want to sign up with Navan. Once you're in, you'll notice the clean interface. It's minimal yet effective. You'll see options like flight bookings, hotel options, and car rentals, all easily accessible. And if you need any kind of assistance, the built-in support will guide you through it. Here's how it works for last-minute trips. First, simply enter your destination and travel dates. The platform will display available options, keeping you updated with real-time prices. It automatically adjusts and shows only the best deals, so you don't have to waste time hunting down flights or rooms. What makes Navan stand out is its flexibility. You can adjust your search filters on the fly, changing times, selecting different accommodations, and even tweaking routes for the most efficient or affordable options. Plus, with its integrations to several booking engines, Navan guarantees you'll get the most current prices. One of the standout features of Navan for last-minute travel is its last-minute deals feature. It helps you find exclusive offers, even if you're booking at the 11th hour. This can be especially useful if you're someone who doesn't want to overpay or compromise on comfort while rushing to organize your trip. Don't worry about keeping everything in one place either. Navan helps you manage your bookings in a central dashboard. Once you've selected your flights and accommodation, you'll find all the details stored for easy reference, without needing to bounce between multiple apps or websites. Navan also simplifies travel planning when it comes to the extra details that often get overlooked in a rush, like transport and car rentals. Once you've booked your flight, Navan helps you find rental options that suit your needs. Whether it's a ride from the airport or a car rental to move around, Navan gives you multiple options to fit your schedule and budget. Now, for those of you who are new to Navan, don't worry. Getting started is easy. Whether you're booking a flight at the last minute or figuring out what hotels are available, Navan will help you manage it all with minimal effort. If you're looking for last-minute travel solutions that save you time and money, then this is definitely worth checking out. Plus, if you sign up through the link below, you'll get an exclusive, extended free trial to Navan, making it even easier for you to experience everything the platform has to offer. So don't wait. Take advantage of this offer and start planning your next last-minute trip with Navan today.